Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Boahen and I'm excited you are here. On this channel, I will be documenting my journey as I learn and grow in the tech world. And my goal is to make technology simple, practical, and easy to understand, even if you are just starting in the tech world from zero. Whether you are learning alongside me or just looking to improve your skills, you are in the right place. So, if that sounds interesting, consider subscribing and let's start building something amazing together. Alright, enough talking. Let's jump straight into today's lessons. Today, we will be learning HTML. 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 HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So the HTML defines the content and structure of the website. So any website you visit, HTML describes the content. Let's break the HTML down. So when we take the hypertext. So for example, if we come to Google, hypertext. The hypertext is a text that can take you somewhere else on the internet, or it's a text that can take you to another web page or to another website. For example, if we type a noun, all these that we see here, we call them hyperlinks, but it's what we are talking about, the hypertext. So when we click on this link, the it takes us to another. You see, a different web page has been opened. Yeah. So that's what's meant by the hypertext. It takes you to another web page. Now with the markup language is like putting labels on things. The markup language is like putting labels on things on the computer. Putting labels. So putting labels on things. It's like putting labels on what? On things on the computer. So how do we get this done using HTML? So to use HTML to label things on the website or on the computer, we'll be using the HTML tags. We'll be diving more into HTML tags in the course of our studies, so kindly stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.